Imagine a world where you don't have to pay for gas, insurance, or parking fees. Sounds like a dream? Well, it might not be as far-fetched as you think. Hi, I'm Nikki, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the benefits and disadvantages of owning your own self-driving car, and why you should take this. Before start, subscribe our channel to get our upcoming video. What is a self-driving car? Self-driving cars are vehicles that can drive themselves. This means that they do not need human intervention to control the steering, acceleration, and braking. Self-driving cars work by combining information from a variety of sensors around the vehicle with an onboard computer system to make decisions about where it should go next. The self-driving car goes without any input from humans for years, but in 2012 Google started developing self-driving car, which was first used in 2014. Can I buy a self-driving car? You can buy a self-driving car, but there are a few things to consider. Self-driving cars cost more than traditional vehicles because manufacturers have invested in the expensive sensors and computing systems that power them. A self-driving car is not available for sale yet, so you can't purchase one. What's the best way to buy a self-driving car? With Tesla and Mercedes-Benz, you can use an online configuration tool, where you can select the features that are important to you. The process is simple. It starts by entering your zip code, then choosing either a Model S or X from Tesla or Mercedes-Benz. You'll be able to choose which features are most important for your driving needs, like how many seats there should be in the vehicle, ranging from 2 up to 7. Once you've selected all of these preferences on this page, click Continue. Then enter your email address and create a password so we can save these details about what kind of vehicle you want. Does this support internet connection? Imagine driving down the highway and all of a sudden your car decides to stop. There is no reason for this, but it just happens out of nowhere. This could happen because your self-driving car requires an internet connection in order to work properly. If you are unable to connect to the internet, then your vehicle will be useless, since there would be no way for it to communicate with other cars on the road or receive navigation instructions from its programming. Do I need to pay extra insurance fees? Self-driving cars are coming. The driverless car has been a dream for decades, and now it is nearly here. But what does this mean for insurance? Will self-driving cars be cheaper to insure than traditional vehicles? It's hard to say, but the idea of paying less may be in your future. Just maybe not right away. What are the benefits of self-driving cars? With more advancements in technology, and an increasing number of car crashes every year, it's only a matter of time before we're all driving around in our own personal chauffeur. Already being tested on public roads with amazing success rates, there really is nothing stopping us from switching over to this new form of transportation. And once you do make the switch, here are some benefits you'll be able to enjoy. At number 1, you'll never have to worry about getting into an accident again. Number 2, your commute will get shorter since your ride will take care of everything for you. Number 3, you can use your time while commuting more effectively, watch TV and more. How much will a self-driving car cost? The cost of a self-driving car is still in question. It's not clear how much people will have to pay for this new technology. There are estimates that range from $5,000 to $10,000 per vehicle. But what if the price was only $500? That would make owning one possible for everyone. Who is developing autonomous vehicles? The automotive industry is growing as we speak, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. With the introduction of self-driving cars on the horizon, there are many companies vying for a spot in this new world of transportation. Companies like Tesla, Uber, and Google are developing autonomous vehicles that will revolutionize how we get from place to place. Will there be any safety restrictions? A lot of people are excited about the idea of self-driving cars. But there is a big question that has been left unanswered. Will there be any safety restrictions on who can use an autonomous vehicle? What if someone gets into the car with a criminal record or could be carrying a bomb? What if they're drunk? The answer to this question will have huge implications for how we design and regulate self-driving vehicles. What's next for this technology? What will the future of self-driving cars look like? The technology is moving fast and it's hard to keep up. From predictions for 2020, 2030, and 2050 from industry analysts to what Tesla feels is a realistic timeline for their vehicles. There are many opinions on how this new innovation will change our lives. With all of these different opinions floating around out there, we wanted to take a step back and provide some context on where autonomous driving technology currently stands in its evolution so that you can better understand what might be coming next. Thanks for watching this video. We think this video helps you a lot. To get our next video, subscribe to our channel.